Ladies and gentlemen, whew, it is kind of not the best of lighting in here, but back at SR Auto Bodies, it's actually quite a late time to arrive. Quite pretty late. Oh man, look at the setup that they've got going on over here. It's pretty awesome. But as you guys have seen, we're here because it's the first time I'm going to get to see the R33. So let's go. Alright, first time seeing the car. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You haven't seen it at all.
This is literally the wow. Oh man, this colour is actually.
Now, if you stand at the front, sort of like here, of the engine bay, you'll see every different colour in the engine bay. The golds to be different. Start looking at the strap tops and tails. You start seeing the colours.
You know what that is? Oh, because you know what's really nice about it? Only in certain points do you see the green in this kind of colour, in this lighting, and it almost looks black. So it's like such a discreet way of being green.
Here, different colour here, different colour there, different
Golden
colour
green here, dark green there. It's different colours all over. It's amazing. Wow.
So you don't want to drop your phone, but
I would kill you.
It did get wet. Well, not wet, but when I picked it up, I had to put the trailer inside the showroom, which
You know I used to drive these things as much as I can. Genuinely, the only thing will stop me.
I don't think you will.
I plan to.
I think you'll drive it.
I have my intentions.
What I think we'll do is I think you'll enjoy it and drive it. I guarantee you won't take it out of the way. And also,
this is beautiful.
I looked at it and went,
Careful.
Don't worry.
You know what looks so clean? He's not having the air in there. Just
Oh,
that
yeah?
clean, that looks man.
No aerial anymore. This is a
I was
really.
looking through my phone now. Just the air.
This just does not come out in video. The colour on this. Put it on.
No, it gets better. Watch, ready for the sparkle?
Oh
Just
my
squint
gosh.
it. I can see the sparkle now.
No.
No, you can't. It's a disco.
And their TE37s as well.
The actual real
I can
TE37.
tell with hand
It's got
right.
all the different colour wheels.
Whilst here, actually, we've got Steve's dad's Alpina, which is a full nut and bolt restoration, and it is absolutely amazing. So amazing. I've seen underneath this. So look at this. It's the kind of stuff that I want to do with the 30.
And then cut all the powder coat off so it's a
smooth.
again.
Yeah.
But we dressed the casting down and then 3 coats of powder coat to give it that plastic look.
Yeah.
3 coats in a.
Yeah.
What did you use for this? Just powder coating again?
That's just, yeah.
That's really nice. Trailing arms. Quite beefy actually.
Yeah.
You got the bracing here though, which a lot of like the 3 Series and stuff afterwards,
Yeah, they didn't.
they don't have that brace.
How much horsepower is this?
About 7. About 270, 280 horse. This in 1984, a little bit dearer than that year's Ferrari.
Right, very exciting times. Oh, you can't even see anything.
No.
I do again. Don't worry, I'm short, so it makes life a little bit easier for me. Oh, do you need that?
Yeah, that's my.
Oh. Right.
Litchfield built everything. Runs 1.2 bar hybrids. We run it at 1 bar at the minute. I don't want to change it.
It's just bang on.
It works. It's not.
Do you know what you want with this? More time in it. That's it. You just want more time taking it to tracks and whatever.
It
keep it on max, because when you want 4-wheel drive, keep it max. You want 2-wheel drive, you don't really care. That is, mate, you know what, you've done the I'm actually quite surprised with how, I know it's loud, but it's not actually that loud inside.
Not stupid, is it?
It's not. Jeez, this car is a oh, you got kebab boxes in the back. So I want to what?
Go see Toby.
Yeah, you I'm just recording you getting in.
Never see again.
That is a weapon. Like, you know what it is? It's not the fastest GTR I've been in.
No.
But the setup on it,
Yeah,
everything is just... Jeez,
fucking
the
naughty
size of that
when you try and
turbo.
drive it.
I like it. Oh, that sounds like pure muscle. Huh? Welcome to Race Wars GTR. Oh my god, it is actually so quiet. Get the lights on the from the A4 onto these, but oh, jeez. Oh, these two, naughty. Yeah, I was kind of like, let's see if I can egg him to turn it on now. I'm ready. And we've got the main chop shop. No, I'm joking. It's well, it's definitely some chopping and stuff going on here. But we've got all the 33s. Well, they're pretty much all 34s in here right now, actually, at the moment. That's the S14. 34, 34, 34, and 34. You know what? While it's well, switch my cap around. Doesn't actually see my face. While it's a little warmer over this side, believe it or not, and they're all chatting in there, I thought I'll come over here and talk. First of all, the 33's paint. What do you guys all think? I think it looks absolutely amazing. Oh man, just look at this. This is just Disneyland for any GTR enthusiast. This is the stuff that dreams are made of. HKS, V-cam, and looking at that valve cover compared to a stock one there. But yeah, so the 33, I'm so impressed with the way the color looks. It definitely doesn't come out, I guess, the right tone on camera as it does in person, but it's definitely a color you have to see in person to be able to appreciate. That's one thing that I can tell you all straight away. But I guess the main other thing that everyone should kind of know about the car at the moment is this is kind of the first good real part of it being rebuilt. So it's back here. Steve's gonna start working on it. I think he's basically taking it as just him that's gonna be working on it. None of the other guys are gonna do a huge amount more. I'm not 100% sure on that, but all the metalwork, everything, as you guys are seeing, the story of this car, the way it's come from to where it is now is just unbelievable. This car is the 33 in my opinion at the moment, and the way he wants to build the car is just on another level. And it's just amazing to see the car in this color. You know, Steve over here, they've got so many cool projects on at the moment, and damn, I love his setup. Everything that he's done about the setup is just so cool. Everything always changes every time I come here, but it's always getting a little bit better. And I think some of his ideas I might need to rub. So that's something that I'm kind of just taking inspiration from. And you know, even like this whole little setup he's got going on here. I might steal that idea at some point. Yeah, it's been great to catch up with the guys here and amazing to go out in the 32. It's really inspired me on where I want my R32 to get to at some point. Definitely need to get both those cars out on track days and really enjoy actually being Skyline owners. But yeah, talking to Toby, aka SR Auto Source, getting some ideas of some of the stuff that I want to look at doing with the 32, which, you know, going later on in this year, hopefully that will become more of a project as well. And I'm actually going to talk to Steve about a couple of things for the E30, because looking at the quality of work gone into this, and I know the bits that he's done onto it, I'm probably going to look at speaking to him about getting some things done for the actual E30 as well. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty much a very exciting day. I hope you all have enjoyed this very quick, kind of a raw video. I'm not really planning to talk about too much, just wanted to show you all what the car looks like right now, get to see it in this raw shell moment before all the rest of the rebuild starts, because this is the last time we get to see it like this, with no interior, no exterior done, just the doors are on and everything inside the doors, and that's it. So pretty exciting, pretty nice solo update. But yeah, right, time to get some B-roll stuff and just enjoy looking at some Skylines, and catch you guys in a bit. Peace.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Yep, this trip is getting very expensive for my brother, and slightly expensive for me.
Through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it
stays. Let's go even faster.
And I also wanted to say to my brother, thank you for being such an amazing big brother to me. Happy birthday. I'm actually releasing this video on his birthday, May the 4th. So all the Star Wars fans, they'll go crazy over that. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you for everything you've always sorted out for me, and, you know, always being there for me and everything. And this is just a little token of appreciation for what I have for you. Everyone else, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment if you think I could have done anything differently, or if you want to know anything else in particular with regards to my brother's R33 build. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Bye.